You hate ads? I hate ads. You know what I like? Patreon.com/Inkdependence keeps this blog ad-free. Hello folks, welcome to Inkdependence.com. I'm Mike, and today we're taking a look at what's in this box. This is a box from, as you can see from the stickers perhaps, Well-Appointed Desk. I saw recently that Anna at wellappointeddesk.com had posted a bunch of new stamps and things, and I wanted to get in on that, so I've already cut open the tape on here, but let's see what's inside. I know what I ordered. This isn't a surprise to me. I've been looking forward to this for a little bit. So we have a couple of bookmarks. Those are fun. They're like letterpress from Skylab Letterpress. Might be familiar with them. Those are cool. I'll flatten those out. Have some bookmarks. This is the thank you note. Mike and Audrey, thanks, man. Bob and Anna, appreciate the support. That's really nice. So, go see Bob and Anna because Bob and Anna are very cool, and you can get their stuff at wellappointeddesk.com. All right, so we have inspected by number 3. I don't know who that is, but there's only 2 people there. Let's see what we have here. Some Well-Appointed Desk stickers, coloring testing book, a coloring sticker, and a Well-Appointed Desk sticker on this little, what do we call these? Glassine envelope. All right, let's get in here. Aha, this is what I'm looking for. These are all nicely wrapped in tissue paper. Very cool. And I think every time I've gotten a thing from Anna, it has been in this green polka dot tissue paper, and they have the green polka dot cards. So this is all very unified stuff. I use this tissue paper for all kinds of things, Christmas gifts, etc. All right, so the first thing I got were a pair of stamps, and these are meant to go in your coloring or your colored decks. I always use the colored decks, and they look like an ink bottle. So you stamp an ink bottle on there, and then you swab your ink over it, and you can have like a very fancy looking Colodex card. So let's give this, actually let's open up the rest of the stuff and then come back and give these a try. All right, let's see what this is. Oh, this is the aforementioned Colodex cards. I love Colodex cards. You see me do a whole bunch of things on these. This is what I do all my ink swatches on, because Colodex cards are really where it is at as far as swatching. And then lastly, not terribly many things in this box. I should have gotten a couple more stamps. I saw them later on her Instagram and went, oh, that looks cool. I should have gotten it. Like, for instance, this one that says Happy Mail. I think that's fun. And there's Write More Letters. She has one that said, she has a Good Mail one, which I actually have a version of over here. I have this Good Mail. But then there's also one that says like Okay Mail. I totally should have gotten that one, and I didn't. I regret. And this is a fun little notepad. I have the Imperial Orders one, which has the Imperial insignia up here, and this is Imperial Orders. This is letterpressed notebook, not note cards. Goodness, what do you call them? Like scratch paper sort of thing, little notepads. They are top glue bound. I'll take them out of here so we can see them. If I can get them out of here. They're very nice paper. You can see on the back, you feel the design a little bit, but I really like the Rebel plans, because I got Rebel plans. Maybe I need to write them down. In fact, I keep one of these. This is on my desk at work, at school, of course, so I haven't seen it in months. So I'm like, well, I gotta get another one. And these are $8 for the notepads. The Colodex was $15, and these little art block stamps are $14 a piece. So not the cheapest things, I suppose, but like, there's 100 of these things, and I use them all the time, and I'm running out. I'm fixing to be out. In fact, let me see. Yeah, this is how many I have left, so not many. Let's go ahead and get one of these out. Do a little stamping. I don't actually know if I'm using the right stamp with this. This is a pigment ink stamp, so it'll probably be okay. Whoop. There we go. Let's do the Good Mail. In fact, let's just do them all on here, because why not? I got extras. There's the Good Mail. This is a platinum sort of color. I like that. I like that. In fact, what color is this? Does it say platinum? I think it is. Yeah, this is pigmented archival platinum. Let's see. And I think this will actually bleed through some papers, so like it's not the ideal stuff for some things, but look at that. That's a nice clean stamp. It's gonna be good. Gonna be good. All right. I should probably get like a black stamp pad. There we go. Get a black stamp pad, and then it wouldn't interfere with the, whatever ink color I put on there. Ooh, this is a nice solid stamp. All right. Very cool. There is a little vase jar. There you go. And this one is a more standard, like German style, like Pelican comes in these, and the other one. There's several others that come in this. This little sort of vase jar. And this, I think, is the one I'm going to use more often. I was a little on the fence about getting this one. I'm like, I'm going to regret it if I don't just get both. So I just got both. So there we go. I really like the little detail in the cap. It looks very nice there. Let's put this on the other side. I didn't even check to see if that was dry. I'm a rebel. I'm a rebel. And I'm making rebel plans. All right. There we go. So there's that one. And then when you want to swatch an ink, let's just do a little ink swatch because, hey, why not? I smudge it? No, it's dried. Okay. What do I want to do? What have I got around here? I know I've got a bottle of ink. Here we go. Let's do this one. Open up. This is Pin BBS 313. Got this from Van Ness. I haven't actually had a chance to use it yet. I need to do it for a review, but haven't done it yet. I'm a bit of a slacker. All right. This should be like a cranberry with a bunch of shimmer in it, if I remember correctly. Does not want to stick to the letter opener. That's one thing. Fun. I'll just let that dry for a sec. But yeah, I think these are going to be way fun. Let me get the... I'm going to go and wash these off, but I like to sort of get most of the extra ink off of them just pretty quick with a paper towel. Nothing highfalutin. My mom has a very nice stamp pad cleaner, which is like these little fingery things on it, and then you get it wet. You just rub the stamp on it, and it takes all the paint off. Not paint. You know what I'm talking about. Ink. I really like these color boxes. These aren't ideal for using on like Tomoe River or something because they'll bleed through. But I ain't worried about anything bleeding through the color dex cards. So, no worries. All right. There we go. And that's what you end up with. You have this fun little stamp of a ink jar, and you can put your color in it. I do think I need to get a darker ink though. This platinum was not the right color, but I'll get a black one eventually. I just don't have one right now. So there we go. Neat. Neat-o. In fact, where's my bamboo pen? Here we go. Go ahead and write on this one because we can. This will be my swatch of the day. You'll all know how it became like this. All right, this is Pin BBS. There you go. All right. Cool. I foresee my Colodex cards getting a little fancier here in the future, and I am about it. All right, so thanks for taking the time to watch a little unboxing. Oh, goodness. Bamboo pin's trying to run away. These are from Well Appointed Desk, where I bought them, and you can too. I really like Anna and Bob. I think they are people that are worth supporting. So go over and, say hi, buy a thing, tell them you heard about them here, maybe. Although, look, if you're here, you probably know about Well Appointed Desk. Let's be honest. And I'll see you all in the next video. Peace out.